how to manage when an option is out of stock on Bigcommerce. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage it. First open your browser, and then once you're here click settings, and now just scroll down until you find the inventory, and if you can't find it here, just type it here, and now just click on it, and as you see here we'll find general settings. Now click when an option is out of stock, just click on it and change anything you want here, and then click next. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.